Welcome back to Siren Triple YouTube channel. Let us discuss continuation of double line to ground fault, that is LLG fault. Okay, so we need to determine symmetrical component relationship. So double line to ground fault, just to assume. So if you want to calculate zero sequence component, 1 by 3 VA plus VB plus VC. So EB and VC is equal to 0 because fault occurs in the B lane and then C lane, so become 0. Only VA will be there. So 1 by 3 VA will get. VA1 is what? VA, VB, A square VC. Definitely VB and then VC is equal to 0 because fault occurs in the B lane and then C lane. So VA only one term is available. So 1 by 3 VA. And what about this one is negative sequence component. So 0 sequence, positive sequence and negative sequence. 1 by 3 VA. So similarly, so you'll get 1 by 3 IA. So while concentrating line to ground fault, I mean double line to ground fault, so symmetrical components you will get positive sequence component, negative sequence component, zero sequence components will get the same, right? In terms of voltage, some output voltage, and so VA0 VA1 is equal to VA2. Coming to the sequence current, we have IA is equal to 0. Only IA0, I1, I2 0 is equal to 0, and IB and IC will be there. Okay. Mm, so this is a circuit diagram after drawing from the concept, from the generator. See here, this one is a uh, positive sequence, this one is negative sequence. Negative sequence, there is no generator, generating generator, right? And this one is zero sequence. See, IA0, IA2, IA1 will be there. Next we have a sequence component, VA1, VA2, VA0 is equal to EA minus IA1 Z1. Everybody knows. So this one is a generator equation, E minus IA Z. Right. If you want IA1, IA1 is equal to EA by Z1 plus Z2 into Z0 divided by Z1 plus Z2. Because these two are in parallel, right? Just to go back to previous slide, these two are parallel. These two are in parallel condition, series with this one, right? So see here, E into Z1 plus this one is a Z1 is a series here in the generator side, and then Z2 into Z0 Z2 plus Z0 is a parallel combination. IA2 is equal to minus IA1 into Z0 divided by Z2 plus Z0, right? This is the equation. And IA1 is IA0 is equal to what? Minus IA1 into Z2 by Z2 plus Z0, right? So fault current, the fault current IF in the case is given by AF is equal to what? IB plus IC, because it is an enter into ground, right? So IB plus IC. So that is a fault current, right? And I not just to substitute IB and then IC values over here, and I will get this value, and finally 2 IA0 minus IA1 plus IA2. So IA1 plus IA2 is what, from the converting figure, uh, that is IF, and substituting the expression, 2 I0 minus I0, so 3 I0, so 3 I1 is equal to Z2 into Z2 plus Z0. This is a completely like equivalent impedance, okay, formula they used, right? And the neutral ground absent, then Zn is equal to infinity. Neutral ground is absent, definitely Zn is equal to infinity. IF is equal to minus 3 I1 Z2 divided by Z2 plus infinity. IF is equal to 0, right? Next, fault through impedances, right? So single line to ground fault on the unloaded generator through the fault impedance. See here through fault impedance, here impedance will be present, and here there is a see here, don't confuse, here nothing is there. uh, okay, this one is a IB and IC will be there, but here fault, LG fault, single line to uh, ground fault unloaded generator. So this one is an unloaded generator, not here, okay, here, because impedance is present over here and then fault occurs. So IB is equal to 0, IC is equal to 0 from the circuit diagram, and terminal voltage VA is equal to IA into ZF, right? And symmetrical components relation. So symmetrical components relation, the following relations can be obtained from the terminals. So IA0 is equal to what? This formula, uh, IA plus IB plus IC. This one is a zero sequence component, this one is a positive sequence, and then this one is a negative sequence component. And finally you will get IA1, IA2, IA0 is equal to 1 by 3 IA. Even the voltage you will get VA0, VA1, VA2 is equal to 1 by 3 VA. The terminal conditions, VA is equal to IA into ZF. So VA0, VA1, VA2 is equal to IA into ZF plus 3 Z, 3 I0 Z. Right. So this is circuit diagram for with impedance, right? See here, without impedance, here the circuit is closed. I mean, like closed in the sense straight connection without there is any impedances. If suppose impedance will be there, means just you add on impedance. It's a complete loop one, right? So this is a circuit diagram. Based on this circuit diagram, we will make a like equations, right? So I naught is equal to I1 into I2. That is EA by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z0 3ZF. This is a feedback impedance. So and next is a VA1, and this one is a positive sequence, negative sequence voltage, and zero sequence voltage. And because positive sequence, negative sequence, zero sequence, current must be same. Keep it in your mind. If it is single into ground fault occurs, right? The fault current in this case is given by IF is equal to IA 3 A naught 3 into this part, okay, according to Ohm's law, okay. And next, line to line fault and the unloaded generator through the fault impedance here. So previously we discussed only line to line fault, but here with impedance, keep it in your mind. Just we add one ZF, I mean impedance, fault impedance, or fault impedance, not feedback impedance, fault impedance, okay. So that just we add. So IA is equal to 0, IB plus IC is equal to 0, and VB is equal to VC plus IB plus ZF, and I naught is equal to what? Again 1 by 3 IA plus IB plus IC. So 1 by 3, so IA is equal to 0. Finally we'll get the equation like this, and IA2 is equal to this one, right? So IA naught is equal to 0, IA1 is equal to minus IA2, and finally we'll get the equations like VA1 is equal to 1 by 3 VA plus VB V square VC, and this one is a positive sequence, this one is a negative sequence, this one is positive sequence, negative sequence, and this one is uh, zero sequence current, and then this one is zero sequence voltage, right? This one is complete like equations of this uh, double line fault with impedance. This is a sequence network, right? So this one is a positive sequence, negative sequence, and then this one is zero sequence. Just to apply like KVL, you will get the answer, everything. See here, just this is a series circuit. We will get Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF, Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF, and here also same Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF. Okay, and fault current is same. IF is equal to IB, I naught A square IA1, IA2. So finally we'll get minus J root 3 IA1. Finally this is the equation, but here there is no 3 ZF, only ZF. Okay, this is a concept. Next, move on to the topic double line to ground fault.